Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we're going to see how to fix error 267 in Roblox. Chapter 1. Fix Roblox Error Deleting Temporary. In the Windows search engine, enter the syntax that we show you on the screen and click on the temporary folder to open it. Once inside, open the temp folder and delete the Roblox folder to remove its temporary files. Finally, open Roblox to check if it's working. Chapter 2. Fix Roblox Error from Browser. Open Google Chrome. Go to the three dots menu, Customize and Control Google Chrome, and then click on Settings. In the Privacy and Security section, click on Cookies and Other Site Data. In this window, click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Search for the word Roblox, and if it exists, delete all the data. Finally, open Roblox to check if it's working. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. Fix Roblox Error by setting shortcut. Start by right-clicking on the Roblox shortcut and selecting Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check the following boxes. Disable full-screen optimizations, and run this program as an administrator. Apply the changes and open Roblox to check if it's working. Chapter 4. Fix Roblox Error from CMD. Open the command prompt as an administrator by searching for CMD in the Windows search bar. Here, we'll first flush the DNS cache and then reset the winsock using the commands you see on the screen. Finally, open Roblox to check if it's working. Chapter 5. Fix Roblox Error Configuring Network Adapter. The first step is to go to the Start menu and type Network. Click on View Network Connections to open it. Find your network adapter and right-click on it, then select Properties. Select the IPv4 protocol option and click on Properties. Here, check the box that says Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the desired DNS. Apply the changes and open Roblox to check if it's working. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.